Today we're finding out about a surprisingly strong muscle in your body.
Oh, 502.
Wow, Xand, 502, that is really impressive.
Well, I've got to keep my muscles big and strong.
That is a good idea. Here, let me have a go.
No!
Xand.
Do you know what the strongest muscle in your body is?
Well, we're going to show you. Now, what we're going to need for this, Xand, is someone really, really strong. Have you got anyone in the cupboard?
Let me think. Oh, I've got the perfect person. Tiny! Sideways, Tiny. I've told you, sideways.
All right, Doc.
Oh, hi, Tiny. Now, you might remember Tiny from Series 1. He lifted me above his head.
Meet Tiny from Tottenham.
Yeah, we've already met. Now, as you can see, Tiny has lots of big muscles all over his body. But which of his muscles do you think is the strongest?
The bicep?
It's a good guess, Xand. They're some of the biggest biceps in Britain, but they're not the strongest muscles in his body.
How about the gluteus maximus?
That is strong, but for its size, it's actually his jaw muscle, or to use its proper name, the masseter.
Your jaw has 4 main muscles that help it move up and down.
All 4 work together to move the jaw down, but it's just the mighty masseter that pulls it back up.
It allows your jaw to exert enough power to chew through super tough foods, and so for its small size, it's the strongest muscle in your body.
Now, you can feel your masseter at home if you touch the side of your face here like this and slowly clench and open your teeth. You should feel it popping out the side of your jaw. Can you feel it, Xand? Tiny, what are you up to?
I'm almost there. Well, that was closer than it looked. We'll have a rematch soon, Tiny. Thanks for coming in.
Well, I'll be off home then.
All right.
Thanks, Tiny. So, now we know what the strongest muscle is, but why don't we put it to the test to find out just how powerful it really is?
And for this, I need...
The Bite Force Meter. Its job is to measure the power of force applied to it, so we can test the strength of my jaw. Xand, how strong do you think your jaw is?
Strong. Not as strong as my hands, but still strong.
OK, Xand, well, let's put that to the test.
It's time for Battle of the Bite Force.
Now, Xand, squeeze that as hard as you can between your hands. Squeeze!
The force is being measured in pressure, equivalent to kilograms applied to the sensor.
3.8, 4.2, 4.7.
Must be some kind of world record, I would think.
Well, let's see. Now I'm going to put it in my mouth and you can read off the number.
Don't you try this dangerous scientific experiment. We can because we're doctors.
Bite! 28, 30.5. That is amazing!
Wow! Chris's jaw is 6 times stronger than my entire upper body.
And in fact, Xand, my jaw's even stronger than that. If my teeth were made of steel and wouldn't break, I could squeeze up to 55 kilos.
To demonstrate how strong your jaw is, we're going to show you what its strength could do to everyday objects.
So we're going to need these. A can of pop, a glass, and a mobile phone.
Ooh, that looks just like my mobile phone.
Now, we can't test the strength of our jaws using our teeth, so for this, we're going to need a special machine. This is a hydraulic industrial crushing machine. We're going to use it to crush things with a force of 55 kilos, the strength of a human jaw.
So let's start with Xand's, a mobile phone. I'm pumping the machine up to 55 kilograms of pressure.
It's not looking good for that phone.
2 metal prongs are crushing the mobile phone.
There you go, a phone crushed with 55 kilos.
Now for a can of fizzy pop.
It's squeezing.
The pressure's rising. Come on, Bitey, you can do it. And that's why I never bite my fizzy drinks. That was amazing.
So we've seen what our jaw strength can do to a mobile phone and a metal can. Now let's try a glass.
Here we go.
Chris gets the machine up to 55 kilograms of pressure again.
Oh!
There we go. A force of 55 kilos applied to a glass. All I can say is very lucky we were wearing the safety equipment.
So we've shown you that the strongest muscle in your body for its size is the masseter muscle, which squeezes your jaw closed.
In fact, your masseter is so strong that under laboratory conditions, we've been able to show you what it would be capable of.
But obviously this would be a stupid thing to do with your mouth, as you'd break all your teeth.
was so amazing. I'm going to phone Mum and tell her about it. Now, where's my mobile phone?